Now to Komalika. Komalika, have the police been able to find any leads as to who these unidentified men were who were stormed the hospital and this kind of destruction?
Avantika, I really wanted to say a very happy Independence Day.
Yes,
but,
same to you, Komalika. I know you've had a very tough night as well.
We cannot just say that it's a happy Independence Day. I mean, to tell you very emotionally, because right now, where I am standing, it is the emergency ward of RG Kar Hospital. The question which you asked, police has started identifying. 9 people have been arrested, and several police is trying to get into various pictures from the visuals that is there, the visuals that has gone viral, the visuals that has been taken there, and 15 policemen has been injured and 9 people have been arrested. And one of the vital information is this is the emergency department. This is not the seminar hall. Seminar hall is 3rd floor, which is the crime scene. So there is no news of tampering the evidence in seminar hall. But if you see the emergency, the amount of rage these miscreants have, that you can see. This is the male ward of the emergency. Emergency is a person when he is severely in pain, severely ill, severely in problem. That point of time, people are brought in emergency, and this is the condition of emergency. Everything is vandalized. Everything is vandalized. Let me take you to, and our viewers, to the storeroom. Very, very valuable medicines are there. See the condition. See the condition. All this, you know, the almiras, the fridge, the everything. The amount of anger. What was so, why they were, the miscreants were so angry with this? What was going wrong? Whose plan is that? Whoever's plan is that, this is a very bad plan, no doubt. Because whoever tries to do it, people will not support it. That is very clear. See, these are all very, very, very valuable medicines that is meant for the common people, the poor people and people in need. This is one of the most prominent hospitals of Calcutta. Where will people go? Where will they go for treatment? The doctors are on strike, and on the top of that, this is the situation. And you know, it is absolutely, you know, it seems that there has been an earthquake. Totally, this is another side. ये जगह क्या जगह है? ये जगह
इमरजेंसी है.
हाँ, इमरजेंसी का ये क्या है?
पेशेंट टॉयलेट है. पेशेंट टॉयलेट है. पेशेंट टॉयलेट.
क्या सब कुछ आप लोग आके देख लें कि पूरा खत्म है.
आप भीतर में
कुछ नहीं बचा. कुछ. Let's go inside and we'll show you. Critical care unit. See, this is the critical care unit, and see the condition of the beds. Everything is, you know, what do you say to this? On a day, on a 15th August, when the entire country is celebrating independence, see what the condition of RG Kar Hospital is. See what the condition of is. This is what they have done it. Who has done it? You know, the political blame game have started. The BJP is saying it's Trinamool. The Trinamool is saying it's BJP and CPM. At the cost of what? At the cost of the treatment of common poor people. See, nothing is there. Let me come in front and show you the gate. Everything is. Nothing is okay here. You see, this was the male ward, the main ward, and let me go in front. You see the gate, and this is the gate.
Shocking, Komalika. This is shocking.
Broken.
I mean, while you catch a breath there, it's beyond unimaginable, the kind of destruction that we are seeing inside this hospital. Komalika, just stay on with me. Brinda Adige is also with us on the broadcast, social activist. Ma'am, you know, we're just seeing live visuals. Komalika, in fact, showing us live visuals of the damage done to this hospital, the chaos breaking out, these goons, these miscreants going on a rampage and creating absolute mayhem, vandalizing property. You know, your thoughts, your reaction on the state of affairs in Kolkata?
Absolutely horrendous state of affairs. Like one of them was pointing out, 78th year of independence that we are celebrating, and here we still have goons who might be belonging to political parties coming and vandalizing the hospital paid for by the taxpayers and denying treatment to the most needy, medical treatment. So lives will be lost because these vandalized that CCU. Lives will be at stake because these people want to take revenge and this vengeful action, and each of them blaming the other one. What will the Kolkata police do? Do they have the wherewithal, the professionalism to conduct a proper investigation and place it before whoever the powers are, that these are the people instigated by these politicians and these parties who have vandalized the hospital, and hence those parties, those politicians must pay for the repair of it.
Right.
Very bad state of lawlessness.
Oh,
The
absolutely. And
institutional
someone will have
apathy
to be
is one
held
part.
accountable. I mean, there's one incident after the other at the RG Kar Medical College with the major chaos breaking out, all these unidentified goons entering the hospital premises and causing such damage to the emergency area of this hospital, of this building. I'm just going to have to take a break right now. Ms. Brinda, thank you so much for your time. Komalika, stay on with me. I'm going to keep coming back to you. Quick break right here on the broadcast. Stay tuned. We'll be back with lots more.